I got my Dwight Yoakams on. If I was in my skates, I'd be even taller. So this is like
Dwight
level.
Yoakams?
Yeah.
I should have known that.
Down in Bakersfield.
I'm from Montana. It's a long ways away from Bakersfield.
Hey.
All right, guys. So we are here today with the world's most incredible rollerbladers. Is that like an overstatement or a little bit of an understatement?
I think that's more than fair.
Okay, so tell us everything.
Well, my name is Matt Mickey. I'm from Intuition Skate Shop in Bakersfield, California, and we're here with Nigel and Aaron here at the Braille Warehouse facility to introduce them to aggressive inline skating or rollerblading. We've got B Free, Texan living in Oakland, and we got Intuition team rider Damon Franklin, one of the few dirt bladers in the world who actually rides inline skates on mountain bike jumps on dirt. But we're toning it down to give you guys an introduction today. We're at ground level. Stick with me, guys, here. Ground level. This is Rollerblading 2019 101.
No dirt jumps today, just jumps in the Braille House. So,
Yeah.
what do you guys are just going to do some crazy stuff?
Yeah, I think what we're going to do is we're going to spin the wheels, as we like to call it. We got some of the Bay
Spin
Area's
the
most
wheels.
notorious bladers here. If you haven't seen blading before, you're going to get an introduction. If you've seen blading before, you're due for a reintroduction. And we brought skates from my skate shop so that Nigel could get on a pair, maybe, or maybe even Gabe. And
Gabe does want to.
yeah, and then some of the rollerbladers are going to get on skateboards and maybe
Oh,
play
wow.
you guys for a game of skate or a game of blade, as we like to call it.
There you go.
On Saturdays, I don't question it. I just go with the flow.
Hey, Saturdays are for the boys. Yes.
So what is like the best? Give me like the best pair you got.
Grab some, run down.
Is this the best? The best one?
No, those are mine.
Yeah, I want the green ones.
Okay, boom. Grab the SO mids.
Are these 10s?
Those are size 10s.
Wow.
Wow.
It's mine green everywhere.
Game.
Yo, this is like one of the coolest experiences I've ever did in my life. You guys gotta try them for sure.
We've also got the Frankie Morales God's Blades. His signature skates always look like Jordans. Them Skates, which is a DIY brand that just hit the market in 2018. Different grind parts, different wheel sizes, tiny wheels that you don't even roll.
What in
You
the
just
no?
add colored parts and make a completely unique setup that no one else is riding. So you can build custom skates your way.
The Black Flash.
If you're riding them,
Yo, they got that glare like.
if I'm riding them, it's like, David, wait up! A flat rocker setup is all 4 wheels touching. Setup with only 2 wheels touching would be anti-rocker. And those are used to help you slide on ledges and rails, and you lock in the groove here.
rolling,
Exactly.
okay.
And then you roll on your outside wheels.
I thought there was like a brake on the back. How do you stop?
Oh, let's get it, Carlos.
It's been a long time since I've done this.
To your right. And that is a size 10.
What size are you, Gabe?
I'm 11. I don't think they have my size.
No, I think he has 11s.
What did Carlos do?
Oh, weird. You just think Carlos fall?
Gabe, you
No.
hear me? I'm doing a 360 down the 5 stairs. I'm doing it.
Where's my helmet, Gabe? Where's my pads? I know, I couldn't find it. All right, Carlos, let's hit the bungee. How do you stop, bro?
My skates on, but the
Get on the bungee.
I'll get on the bungee, yeah. What the heck? Where's my helmet? Where's my safety gear? I need all my pads. Let's go, Gabe.
You don't even know what to film, huh? It's just, it's.
I
I'm trying to get everybody
Oh
in one
my
set.
God.
Yeah.
I mean, I really don't want to get my blades dirty. It's kind of the thing. I would be grinding, but you know,
Let me have everybody
they're so
clean
clean.
as they are.
I almost rolled into the bank and I almost died. Well, I did roll into the bank, but I almost died. I got stuck on the top a little bit. I was born in the darkness.
Like, how? How?
Oh no.
Yeah! motivation right there.
Classic front side grind. When you're in between the two middle wheels on each skate, traveling perpendicular. It's like the rollerblading equivalent to the 50-50. That's our front side. 10 minutes on blades and these guys are already grinding.
Dead. Yeah. Oh no. Oh no. Let's go.
Oh my God!
Dang. Look at McNugget.
That's called a unity grind. Not usually for somebody on their first day.
All right, all right. Oh.
See, you're attached to the skate, so you cannot bail.
You just did a front unity. So he just did a front side 360 out.
A little bit later, I'm going to do the handrail. I just don't want to, you know, ease into this. It's not really my thing. I got scared halfway through. I'm okay. I'm okay. I don't know.
Up it? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! My body doesn't work that way. No! Oh! Ow! Jeez. There you go, Carlos.
Something's wrong with that boy.
You're like right there. What? There's no way.
Roll off.
Oh my God!
You landed? And you're like, wait.
All right, move on to the 5 area. That I don't. How do you get your feet like that? So. What?
The trick is to have your feet closer together, so it's just like it's
Jesus.
Nope. I still hold the record. We're good.
I went up that and almost died.
Do it again.
Straight died. I was like, I couldn't figure out how to turn. I started coming back.
It's easier switch. Goes for a switch grind, almost kills himself, dude. He almost like his back almost landed on the corner. This is one of those things I can't do in front of a lot of people. Like I'm gonna be here at night one day just practicing these by myself.
Me on the bungee? There's no way.
Oh, you got that, Nigel?
There's no way. God.
I'm not
No.
gonna be the one to say it, but I'm gonna say you guys are naturals.
No.
This is awesome.
No.
That's
This is scary.
Is it not fun?
Yeah, it is.
Bro's a super
You know what's going through my mind is every time I land, I'm like, there's no kicking out. Like I have to go for
you
it.
can't bail.
Like I can't.
Yeah.
And if I kick
But
out and
you
I
have
lean back, I'm gone.
It makes you try it. It makes you
Yeah,
try it.
you have to try it.
Definitely.
No way. No way. No! What? You made it. Hi. Does that count? That was perfect.
Especially right after McNugget, he rolls down.
You are insane. Faster? Okay.
Only Fetty, dude. Only Fetty, literally. And how is he landing so soft?
Why? Why did you just die? Oh! What a psycho! Oh!
Two worlds, one trick. Laced it.
That was insane.
5-star achievement unlocked.
I don't think that's ever been done. Has that ever been done, Internet? Come on.
He gets first pick on the cookies.
No.
Yes.
Hey,
yes.
chocolate chip.
Let's go, Fetty.
That's ridiculous.
He got the cookie.
That's ridiculous.
That's for the cookie. Is that a snickerdoodle?
He's going really fast.
No way, dude.
He's going so fast, he makes fast people look not fast.
Top 5 most insane things gone down the barrel drop. Top 5.
Are your ankles on fire? My ankles are on fire.
Not at all.
Yo, that hurt so bad. That hurt so bad, bro. Oh, God. Yo.
Hey guys.
Yo, thanks, man. It's good to meet you.
Check out all the other videos right there. I hope you had a blast watching this one. We had a blast making it. I'll see you in the next episode.